How to fix WhatsApp not sending message. So guys, in this video I will share with you the solution of this problem on WhatsApp, so just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly and open apps or applications. Here, as you can see, all the applications that you have on your phone is it in here. So you will search only for WhatsApp. Then when you found WhatsApp, just open it like this and then go to storage option. Then here go to clear data and click OK, and click also on clear cache and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now you have to restart your phone, and after this you have to open your Wi-Fi and close it and turn off it and turn on it, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.